I've been into PC case modding for roughly 6 or 7 years now. The reason why I started was because I had checked out a lot of forums such as overclock.net, and watching those threads and seeing the work that other people have been doing was a real inspiration for me to get into, like, even looking at my own PC and trying to make it the best that I could. I've actually really enjoyed the EK modpit. It's been a well-planned event, and we've had plenty of time to be able to mod our PCs, and everyone who's been involved has been genuinely really talkative and happy about us being here and shown us really great hospitality. On top of that, I mean, we've been able to work with some of the best hardware that's on the market, and a great designed case aesthetically. And yeah, definitely. I hope there's a part 2, and if anyone else is invited, then I'd definitely say go for it, do it.
When I got the challenge from Justin, I was mostly thinking, that's quite different to what I normally do. So he'd asked for a black interior, and I'm thinking, usually I do like a light interior, something which gets all the colors going, because if you have any lighting, then, you know, working with black, it's just going to drown all that out. So that means you have to think hard about what you're going to be doing with the hardware itself and the actual theming. So I thought it was interesting. I've had an absolute blast here at the mod pit. It's been an absolutely fantastic experience getting to mod in the EK warehouse, getting to know all the people, getting to know the team, getting to know Justin a bit better, because we've known each other for a long time but never actually met until today. So that was fantastic. In addition, just having like the access to all the great tools and other kind of just things at our disposal, great. And the fact that we could do so much in such a short space of time because we have so many things on tap. You know, if I was maybe told I had to do a mod at home, I'd be thinking, wow, you know, 2 days, 3 days, that's a tall order. But we've managed to make it work.